Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change email address on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Snapchat app. Then right here tap at your profile picture and then get into settings. Right here you can easily find that email option. You can tap on that, and on that step you can tap at your current email, and now you can change it. So I'm gonna remove all the part except at gmail.com, and now I'm gonna enter my new email and then I'll tap at continue. Now it asks me to enter the password. I can use it from suggested, and then I'm gonna hit at continue again. As you can see, new email has just been set as my primary email on that Snapchat account, but that email is still not verified. So I'm just gonna hop out Snapchat for now, and all I should do now is open up Gmail app, where I need to find email from Snapchat team. Here it is, I see it right there. I can open it up and then I can hit at confirm email. I'm gonna select some browser, let it be Safari, and now it says that email address is verified. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.